Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for December 2023. This is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you so much po sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook page and also TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. Please check out my online shop sa Shopee, Mr. Queen PH, for protection and prosperity items, bracelets, and zodiac sign bracelets na perfect pang regalo ngayong holiday season. Dahil bukod sa mga vouchers na available para sa inyo, may 25% discount din tayo sa lahat ng items until November 30, 2023. So grab this opportunity at padaluyin ng swerte sa pagsalubong ng taong 2024. Check out nyo na yan. Lahat ng links ay nasa description. For you, Cancer, so ito ang inyong bracelet. Meron tong Larvicite, Aquamarine, at Selenite na nag-a-align sa energies ng mga Cancer. So available siya sa black na box. Meron din tayong white na box. Ayan, and of course available pa rin naman yung naka-pouch, no, for personal use. This is perfect for gifts, no, kung gusto nyong ipang-regalo to sa inyong mga loved ones. Ayan, so this is available sa ating Shopee, link on the description. So let's begin. Cancer, what's up? Ano yung ganap sa inyo ngayong December 2023? December 2023 for Cancer. This is your overall energy, spiritual awakening, okay? And then this is your challenge, learning. This is your opportunity, source, and your blessing is the shadow. Wow, masyadong spiritual ang December for you, Cancer, no? Meron ditong spiritual awakening as your energy. So, marami kang mga natutuklasan tungkol sa iyong sarili, sa iyong pagkatao, at sa mga bagay na gusto mo pang matutunan, no? Lalo na kung related ito sa iyong mga paniniwala, sa belief system mo, and to your spirituality. So, some of you, you are leaning towards becoming a spiritual leader, a spiritual healer, ayan. So, let's see what else pa. Meron kayong mga natutuklasan tungkol sa paligid ninyo na kung dati you're not really paying attention so much about it. So, ngayon mas nagiging aware na kayo, no? Mas nagiging conscious na kayo. Aware na kayo sa nangyayari sa paligid. You have the Six of Pentacles. So, this is helping other people. Yung iba sa inyo, ang focus ninyo is makatulong sa iba, no? Makapagbigay ng assistance. Maari ring yung iba sa inyo, you have realization na it's not just about the money but also yung impact, no? Yung legacy na may iwan mo dito sa mundo. So some of you, meron kayong mga charitable work na gagawin ngayong December. And then yung challenge ninyo is learning. So some of you, meron kayong mga gusto pang matutunan, matuklasan, mga bagong kaalaman na mas lalong magpapalalim ng inyong wisdom, no? Yung iba pwedeng related sa spirituality, yung iba naman related sa mga gusto nyo pang i-explore sa buhay. Like yung career ninyo, yung trabaho ninyo, yung field of work ninyo. So, some of you, challenge ito kasi pwedeng busy kayo, hindi nyo maisabay yung pag-aaral or pagre-research sa situation ninyo ngayon. You also have the Six of Wands. Basta nyo busy, marami kayong inaasikaso. As a challenge, pwede kasing lagi nyong iniisip yung ibang tao bago kayo. So, parang yung oras nyo para sa sarili nyo, para mas lalo nyong i-nourish, i-grow yung sarili ninyo. Kumbaga parang yun yung nagsasuffer. So, you have to also focus on yourself na hindi natatapos ang pag-aaral sa school, no? Ito pa lang ay simula at continuous yung ating learning, no? And I think marami kang matutulungan the more na mas patatagin mo ang iyong knowledge. So, ang iyon namang opportunity is the source. You are divinely guided. You are called to do a specific mission. Meron kang mission dito sa mundo. You have the King of Cups. This is your energy. You have a lot of love to give. You're very compassionate. Yung iba sa inyo, ano pa no? Selfless, no? Mas iniisip yung iba kaysa sa sarili. But you also have the opportunity to express your feelings, yung iyong creativity, no? Maaring itong creative side mo, mas malalaman mo, mas matutuklasan mo, the more na you connect to the source. Okay? And your blessing is the shadow. This is shadow work. And this is part of your awareness. Maaring meron kang mga mga unhealthy habits, mga alam mong hindi nakakabuti na sa'yo. Pwedeng gawain yan, pwedeng sitwasyon, pwedeng mga tao sa paligid mo na alam mo nang kailangan mo nang i-let go. Or kailangan mo nang matutunan yung mga bagay na dapat mong baguhin sa sarili mo to become a better version of yourself. So, the shadow is like shadow work. So, this is going to bring you blessings. The more na mas maintindihan mo kung saan nanggagaling yung mga naging issues mo before, bakit nangyari yon, base sa mga decision making mo at sa mga habits na ginagawa mo. See, you have the 3 of Swords. Some of you naka-experience ng painful situation, no? Na ito yung tinatawag na blessing in disguise, na kailangan mo munang masaktan bago mo ma-realize yung lesson na yon, and yung lesson na yon yung magpapatatag sa iyo, no? To become a better version of yourself. So let us see what else. Kasi minsan, no, 'di ba? Lahat naman tayo ganyan na akala natin ang laging may mali yung iba, but hindi natin nakikita yung sarili natin. But I think this December, you will also have this self-reflection na aalamin mo ano yung kailangan mo pang i-improve sa sarili mo, ano yung kailangan mong baguhin for the better. You have the Queen of Cups. Yung iba sa inyo merong blessings pagdating sa pagkakaroon ng anak, no? Pwedeng magkaroon ng baby, or this can mean a project na ipapanganak mo. Oo. And yung iba sa inyo talaga merong learning opportunities dito na nag-open up. May mga bago kang tutuklasin, i-research, pwedeng may mag-enroll ka sa online course, or literal, papasok ka, babalik ka sa school. Kaya lang with the 7 of Cups here, may mga times na hindi mo alam kung ano yung priorities mo, no? So, importante na you know your priorities, saan sa tingin mo mas magbe-benefit ang mas nakararami, including yourself, no, sa mga desisyon na gagawin mo ngayong December. O, you have the 9 of Cups. Meron kang wish fulfillment this December. Maaring isa sa matagal mo nang wini-wish, finally darating na. Some of you, travel opportunities ito. Yung iba naman sa inyo, may kinalaman sa career ninyo na magbibigay sa inyo ng happiness. Maaring ito ay certain position sa trabaho na gustong-gusto mong makuha. Or yung iba, pwedeng maglilipat ng trabaho, tapos makukuha mong trabaho doon is yung talagang dream role mo or dream job mo, no? So, let us get other messages for you, Cancer, for December 2023 for Cancer. Dealings or relationship with a man. So, maaring you are connecting with someone, or this can mean a business partner or yung boss mo. Oo, you will be dealing with someone. You are on the right path. Oh, you are on the right path daw, Cancer. So, I think nililid ka talaga sa tamang landas, no? Na kung saan in alignment of your life's purpose. So, some of you related to sa spirituality. Someone is leaving you or leaving your life. Merong aalis sa buhay mo. This can be a man, no? Lalaki sa buhay mo. And then, period of frustration, lessons to be learned. Yeah. I think ito yung blessings na sinabi ko sa inyo na meron kayong kailangan munang pagdaanan na medyo difficult situation, but eventually, ililid ka nito sa a lot of learnings, no? Kasi marami tayong natututunan sa mga experiences natin, good or bad, no? And then, Beware of greed. Okay. So, yung mga ano dyan, mga tao sa paligid nyo, minsan naghahangad ng masyadong marami, no? Oo. So, maging maingat sa mga ganyan, mga nagtitake advantage of your kindness. So, be cautious, no? So, let us see sa love life naman. Love life ng mga Cancer sa December 2023, love life. Game over. So, yung iba sa inyo, if you are dealing with someone romantically, tapos lalaki, yung ka-deal ninyo, possible magkaroon ng ending dito. Okay? Kasi ililid ka sa true love. Oh my God, I think this is the blessing. This is the blessing that is going to come to your life. Kasi meron ditong Three of Swords. So that's somehow painful ending. Pero yan yung doon mo marirealize ano yung naging pagkakamali mo sa relationship, ano yung mga pagkukulang mo, ano yung dapat mong i-improve. And eventually, ililid ka sa yung true love. Oh my God, sa iyong soulmate, Cancer. 'Di ba? Sabi nga paano mo makikilala yung soulmate mo, yung tinadhana talaga para sa kung you are with the wrong person, 'di ba? Kaya minsan kailangan talagang may mag-end. Oo. Yun yung pinaka energy sa inyo, Cancer, is blessing in disguise, no? So, you will also be focusing on your connections with your friends. Maaring kayo ay lalabas together with your friends or other loved ones. Or you will gain new friends ngayong December. Mga bagong kaibigan na part of your soul family. So, sa money, career, finances, connections or connections. Oo, communicate. So, sabi rito, sharing your voice to speak your truth will show your authenticity and expression. So, maaring ito ay part ng iyong destiny, ng iyong life's purpose to share your thoughts, yung iniisip mo or yung ideas mo to other people like social media influencer, or just being true to yourself and expressing your thoughts sa ibang tao, pagbibigay ng advice. You also have altar. So yung iba sa inyo merong altar. You have a special space to have quiet meditation as you connect with your higher self. Yes, like what I mentioned kanina, very spiritual yung December for you, Cancer. So, you may be spending more time with your altar or mag-create ka ng altar mo wherein doon ka magme-meditate, doon ka connect sa yung higher self. And of course, pag ganun, doon na magkakaroon ng downloads, no, ng mga bagong ideas or messages na makakatulong sa yung buhay. And also, your dream life is manifesting na raw, Cancer, ngayong December. You have enough resources to bring your desires into reality. Wow. Nagkakatotoo na, nagsisimula ng mangyari. Mainstream. Some of you are also going to try yung mga career or business related sa mainstream media or sa social media. Na kung saan you're going to do your business online, no? Whether you are self-employed or meron kang sarili mong business. So, let's see your final message, Cancer. Okay, the bigger picture. Ayan. Sabi rito, take a step back and gather your thoughts and feelings. So, maaaring nagkakaroon ka ng bagong perspective sa buhay. Yes, that's part of your spiritual awakening. Mas lumalawak yung perspective mo. Mas marami kang naiintindihan nowadays, no? And ngayong December, I think you're becoming wiser, no? Mas marami kang alam ngayon based on your experiences, and you're also going to share your knowledge and experiences sa ibang tao para makatulong sa iba. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Cancer. See you again.